right, Jules, what are you digging around for?
Trying to find my snow pants. I found 3 pairs so far that aren't mine.
Well, that's how it works when you all have the same kind of snow pants. Getting all suited up.
Yep.
What are you doing this morning when you go out?
I gotta give hay and water to the horses and water and food to the bunny rabbits.
And it is, it's cold. I think we're coming into a warm up, which is really nice. But this morning, I think temperature is -9. So, yeah, it's cold.
Where's my boat?
You can't find anything this morning. It's early. She's grumpy. Why are you grumpy? Are you cold? She's got frost on her nose. Oh, Phoebe. Oh, baby.
She doesn't like the dogs.
Murphy, you better get out of here, you boy. Go on. There you go. We'll ask Daddy about it today when he gets home. See if we can tape it or what we can do. Heidi, would you stop? Would you stop trying to steal the shot? Hi. Oh, what are you doing? Seeing what I'm doing? Who's a pretty girl? Everybody's hungry in the morning. Should I help you or should I just keep on filling you? Like a good mom. What do you think you're doing? Bringing Miss May inside. Yep. She gets a special treatment, huh? Because it's cold. Whose birthday is it today? Do you remember? Williams. We gotta say happy birthday when we see him. There he is. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear William. Happy birthday to you. All right. How old are you today?
I'm 11.
11. Oh my goodness. Where does the time go? Let me see. Yesterday you got to do what?
I got to go with my grandma and shop.
Special day with Grandma. You just woke up. I can tell. Today you're gonna go out with Daddy, right? For do you know what? Breakfast or lunch? And we don't really do birthday presents, right? We like to do special things. So what did we do recently as a family to celebrate?
We went skiing.
So we like to do different just events instead of gifts, right? And then I see that you bought yourself some very cool things for a big 11-year-old boy. Why did you want to get some new knives, huh?
Because I want some that I can use around the house and I can use when I go like hunting or fishing.
Fishing? And you carry them out like when you go take care of the sheep and whatever if you need to
Cut the hay
bales. So very good. I think that was a good purchase. All right, Marie, what are we working on in here before you go outside?
Washing eggs.
Okay, you have several crates like this. Our chickens are not having issues laying, right?
They're laying a lot of eggs. Plenty of eggs.
So what are you just preparing for the day here?
Yes, because when it's cold outside, we can't keep the eggs in the farm shop because they freeze. So when we see customers pulling, we have to run them out.
Then what's on your list for outside chores?
I have to take care of the chickens, give them feed and water. It likes to freeze.
Can you tell me why we have a duck in our back porch? Hi, Muscovy. You know you're making my back porch smell like duck. Oh, don't hiss at me.
Her feet were frozen.
Her feet were frozen. She's a duck.
No, but it was really good. She said ice like that with ice on her.
Oh.
She couldn't
Plus it's
walk.
Muscovy, right? She's one of our favorites. Cold day, stuff to do.
Snow's a little deep there, isn't it? You're stuck? No, you're not stuck. You can get out. Oh, it's actually up to your waist. You're stuck. Help him up. What is your favorite part of winter?
The deep snow.
The deep snow?
Yeah.
Do you like...
Like this deep.
Yeah, I know, it's up to my waist. In some spots. Do you guys like to sled in the winter?
We like to ski.
Ski? Yeah, that's...
Yeah, it was. Sam, I jumped. Baba.
Come on, Josie. One, two, three. Good job.
You got silly string with Grandma? It says glitter on it too. Why do you think Grandma would get you silly string with glitter in it?
I don't see glitter.
Now, you tell me this doesn't stick. I don't...
Don't spray me.
Don't spray me. It costs so hard money. You gotta let it.
Happy birthday!